Hello guys, my name is Gautam Hari. Today we are going to discuss about RDP. So what is RDP? Let's first understand what is RDP. RDP is a proprietary protocol developed by Microsoft that enables users to connect and control a remote computer or virtual machine over a network connection. It is widely used for remote administration, also for technical support and accessing the virtual desktop. RDP allows a user to interact with the desktop applications on files of a remote system as if they were physically present at the location. Now let's understand some key features of the remote desktop protocol. First, we get the feature of desktop sharing. Like RDP allows the sharing of desktop interface of a remote computer and provides full control over its geographical user interface. Secondly, file sharing. So user can transfer files between the local and the remote computer controls during RDP session. Thirdly, audio redirection. So when we access our RDP into this, RDP supports the redirection of audio from the remote computer to local machines. So we can get the remote computer's audio in our local machine as well. That enables users to hear sound generated on the remote system. Next, we have the network label authentication or NLA. RDP includes security features like NLA to enhance the authentication process and protect against unauthorized access. Now, let's see some key aspects or the key benefits of the remote desktop protocol. RDP includes access from anywhere. So, the benefit of this is that user can connect to the work computer or server from virtually anywhere with an internet connection, providing flexibility and convenience to the users. Remote administration. So, an IT administrator can use RDP access to manage and troubleshoot computers and servers in different locations without the need for physically being present in front of the desk. Remote support. So, technical support personnel can assist users by remotely accessing their computer to diagnose and resolve problems. Virtual desktops. So, remote desktop technology is often used in virtual desktop infrastructure, which is called a VDI, where users access virtualized desktop environment hosted on servers rather than physical computers. And finally, collaboration. So, remote desktop access facilitates a collaboration by allowing multiple users to work on the same system simultaneously or share information across different locations. So, that means one computer or one server can be used by multiple users at the same time. Now, let's understand how does the RDP work. So when we start the RDP, we have to initiate a connection with the remote desktop. So the user will open RDP client in the local computer. The RDP client will initiate a connection to the remote computer using the IP address or host name. Then it goes for the authentication. So user will be prompted for the login credentials like usernames and password, and it can also present the NLA, which is optional for some of the companies for security purposes. Once authentication is completed with the username and password, then it will establish a connection, which in turn will get a certificate authentication. And once the authentication is completed, then we can have many activities that can be performed, like desktop sharing, Users can interact with the RDP. A user can start transferring the data from the local machine to RDP. User can display and input the redirection like the graphical data, or it can even minimize the latency issues. And moreover, it provides a secure connection. So the moment you get logged in on a RDP machine, the RDP uses encryption to secure the communication between the local and remote computers, protecting sensitive data from remote desktop session. So your data from local machine to the RDP machine will be encrypted. So these are some basic information about how and what an RDP does. So that will be for today's class. Thank you very much.